All right, let's talk about something that quietly sinks a ton of businesses. And that something is guessing. Just guessing who your customer is, what they actually want, and why they should even care about what you're selling. Today, we're going to explore how to finally stop guessing and start knowing. So let's dive in. So let me ask you something, straight up. When you think about your business, your marketing, your content, the products you're creating, are you guessing? I mean, are you kind of just going on a hunch about what people want, what their real struggles are, and what's going to finally make them click that buy button? Because if you are, and hey, most of us have been there, here's the tough part. That guessing, it's not just some harmless part of the process. Oh no, it's more like a silent leak, just slowly but surely draining your business of everything that matters. So let's get real about the high cost of all this guesswork. What are we actually talking about here? And believe me, it goes way, way deeper than just, a couple of failed ad campaigns. I mean, think about it. It's all that time you sink into creating content that just falls flat. Nobody engages. It's the money you pour into ads that just don't convert. It's that feeling of being totally drained, right? The sheer energy it takes to keep pushing when it feels like nothing is working. And maybe the worst one of all, it's that hit to your confidence, that little voice in your head that starts to wonder, do I even know what I'm doing? Okay, so if guessing is the big bad enemy, what's the solution? Well, here's a hint. It's not about trying to guess smarter. No, it's about stopping the guessing game entirely. It's about becoming an architect of your customer's identity. And today, we're looking at a tool designed to do exactly that. So this tool is called the Architect of Customer Identity. And what is it? Well, it's a specialized GPT. Think of it like a custom AI assistant that's built to create a super complete, psychology-driven profile of your customer. And that's the key phrase right there, psychology-driven. We are talking about going way beyond the basics like, age and where they live. So what does this architect actually build for you? Well, it's not just some quick sketch on a napkin. No, this thing creates a full-blown blueprint, a blueprint of your customer's entire inner world. It shows you what really makes them tick. And this is where things get really, really interesting. This tool helps you see the difference between what we call surface pain points and deep pain points. The surface stuff, that's what your customer says the problem is. I need more leads. But the deep pain, that's what they actually feel. It's that knot in their stomach, that anxiety about whether they can make payroll next month. That's the real motivator. And you know what? It's the exact same story when it comes to desires. On the surface, they might say they want a six-figure business. Okay, great. But the deep desire, that's all about how they want to feel. They want to feel secure, they want to feel respected, and maybe most of all, they want to feel free. And let me tell you, marketing to that feeling is 1,000 times more powerful than marketing to a number. And this blueprint is just packed with good stuff. It's not just about pains and desires. No, it covers the whole shebang. We're talking demographics, psychographics, their biggest fears and objections, even the specific buying triggers that get them to take action right now. Heck, it even tells you the exact language they use so you can talk to them in a way that just clicks. It's all in there. Okay, so once you have this blueprint in your hands, literally everything changes. You make this massive shift, moving away from the shaky ground of guessing and onto the solid foundation of truly knowing who you're talking to. And the results? They are just, wow. All of a sudden, your content hits differently. People start reading your stuff or watching your videos, and they get that little shiver, that magical thought of, whoa, how did they know? It's like they're reading my mind. And it's not just your content. Your offers get a major upgrade too. You completely stop making things you think people might want, and you start building these undeniable solutions to problems they are absolutely desperate to fix. That, my friends, is the difference between an offer that collects dust and one that you can't keep in stock. Oh, and for anyone out there running ads, this is basically the holy grail. Your ad copy goes from being just more noise in the feed to being a mirror. And when people see themselves, their real selves, their secret fears and hopes reflected back at them in your words, they just can't help but stop the scroll and pay attention. All right, so this all sounds amazing in theory, right? Super powerful stuff, but how do you actually use it? How do you put this blueprint to work in the real world? Let's break down the actual practical steps. The game plan here is incredibly simple, just 5 steps. First, you get access to the GPT. Step 2, you kick things off with this simple prompt. Help me create a customer avatar for my business. Then step 3, and this is the most important part.
You answer the questions it asks you in as much detail as you can. Really go deep. Step 4, you save that beautiful avatar you've created. And finally, step 5, you use it. You reference it for absolutely everything you do from now on. So the big question is, when do you use this? The answer couldn't be simpler. First, always. This is step 0. You do this before you create the product, before you write the sales page, before you even think about running ads. It's also your secret weapon, your go-to reset button for any time your marketing just isn't landing or you feel like you're losing touch with your audience. And I really want you to get this. This is not just another shiny tool for your toolbox. No, this is the foundation. It's the concrete slab you pour before you build the rest of the house. In fact, all the other tools, the ones for writing copy, emails, ads, they all work so much better, they become so much more powerful after you've done this one thing first. And here's the best part, the absolute kicker. How long does this whole foundational business transforming activity actually take? About 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. Think about that for a second. Less time than it takes to watch an episode of a show, you can do one of the absolute highest ROI activities possible for your business. It's a no-brainer. So that really brings us to the final thought here. The power to just stop guessing and finally start knowing is right there at your fingertips. It gets rid of all that waste, it builds your confidence back up, and it creates this incredible connection with the people you're trying to help. So the only real question left is, now that you can stop guessing, what are you going to build?